Alright, so put your hand in here. Like a bass. Like a bass. Oh, put your thumb on. There you go. Now hold on tight. Now put your other hand down here.
Real tight or it's going to run off.
Alright. Now hold him up. Let me see you. There you go. Good job. First snook. Good job. You want to measure him? Yeah, we'll measure him. He's definitely not going to be legal.
Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Glober. Matthew and I appreciate you tuning in. Today we're down at Sebastian Inlet in Florida with Captain Mike. We'll give you some more information on him in a little bit. It's early in the morning, it's cold, and we're getting ready to settle out and go do some fishing. We'll take you along. I hope you enjoy it. Hang on, we'll be right back.
Once we get up here to these trees, I'm gonna get you rigged up.
Nice. Well, you got lucky. I was wanting to do live bait, so you get to do live bait instead. Just wait.
I get to use this one.
Yeah, they'll hook you up with a bobber and some shrimp.
Yeah, I'm gonna get us stopped up here, and we're gonna get close to the trees.
You'll be catching before any of us.
Okay. How do you know that?
I did not check drag on any of these reels except for the one I picked up. So there's every chance we might have a problem. Let me see what you got.
So I was getting ready to check some drag. It's a little stiff.
You ain't saltwater fish then.
It's
right where we want it. Yeah, that little twitch bait, feel free to launch it out here into the open or up against the shoreline. See what we can get into in here.
Here are the mangroves that you've been waiting for.
Made it to the mangroves.
Hey, it's all on his first tree.
Yeah, it's all good.
Now everybody can hit trees, it don't matter. Solomon hit the first one.
Not the cherry off of it.
Pinfish on a shrimp lure. Well, that's a first. You want to keep it for bait? Yeah. What in the world? I've never caught one on a lure. Ah, cool. Hey, Henry, I caught a fish. What? Yeah. It only counts as one. No, we'll go back to the actual number. So that's 5. 5 for the week. Here, I got it.
I caught a fish finally.
Good job.
So now I'm 7.
Freaking much.
I gotta switch it over to photo.
Look at that.
Good job.
That's a monster.
That's a good size one.
Turn around, Dad.
No, that's not supposed to do that. But cheap. Yeah.
There we go.
Got it?
Yeah, let me put it back on video now.
Now we're gonna get a big one.
Here, I'll help you.
Look at this.
Good job. All right, so look
Yeah,
at his
this-
teeth.
Tell
Are we
his
gonna
who's in
keep
the
him?
lead now.
Yeah, this definitely is better. Here, put your rod down here.
Since it's so big, it's worth
Both hands. Okay, I want you to put one hand right here. Underneath.
Can you hold?
I will. One hand right there and one hand under here. Nope, leave those alone. Put one hand under here. There you go. Now look at me. Good job. Nice job, buddy. All right, go ahead and throw them back.
Nancy, if we count my starfish, I'm at 10.
Look at this.
Good job. Now throw them back. There you go. Good job. High five. First sheep's head.
The biggest sheep's head.
Yeah. Where'd your bobber go? Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, we'll get you a shrimp in a minute, okay?
Now look at that.
Good job.
Since
Here,
it's so
hold
big,
that
is
so you
it
don't
worth
get
2?
stuck.
Is it worth 2 since it's so
Okay,
big?
everybody's falling.
No, actually, that's not that big. They got to be 12 inches to keep, and they can get up to 20. But that's still a good size one. You did a good
That's a
job.
big fish on a bobber.
That is a big fish on a bobber. You did a good job, all right?
Come on, fish. Give us the right bite.
There you go. There you go.
That's woohoo! Took a
There's
jig
your
up to
fish,
stick
buddy.
it.
That's a good size.
Grove.
Mangrove snapper. That's a keeper, isn't it? Be close,
Probably
probably.
be 8, 9.
Yeah, he's close.
Woo! That means I'm at 8. And you're only at 11. Not even a foot.
Not even a foot.
Is that you over there throwing?
He took, he's a touch short.
Yeah, he's almost there.
Driving a
Mangrove snapper, watch his feet, teeth. See him?
Yeah, I stuck my fingers in that,
Oh,
in that
they'll get
mouth
you.
the other day.
They will get you if you're not careful.
I've got a catfish blade to
Oh, good job, Henry.
catfish
job,
blade to
man.
my thumb.
Yeah.
It's only 11 to 8. I'm
Good
actually
work.
catching today.
Yep.
Henry, I don't think you're
You
at
beat me
11,
now.
buddy.
I said it's 11 to 8. I'm 8. Uncle Hiss said 11. Uncle Hiss said the dangerous fish. Uncle Hiss said that dangerous fish are worth 4.
Oh,
Let me get the hook.
they kind of spilling water out of this boat.
You know you want it. Come on, you gotta do better than that.
There you go.
That
Not a good
one.
sign.
Woo! Mango snapper! Does it look? It looks like it's smaller than mine.
Yeah, that is a little guy there.
That's a good mangrove snapper.
Who?
Dad caught a mangrove
Oh, yeah,
snapper.
he got one.
Yeah, he got one found. I'm off 0.
Off
There you go.
0.
Off 0. Okay, I'm done now.
Let's get you in.
Good.
Dad, get him.
Yeah, let him eat it. It's a little guy just messing with it.
There he goes.
Dad got him.
There you go. Puff
I got the puffer.
Negative points.
Puffer.
Yeah, you gotta take points off for that one. That's as bad as a catfish. Ah, shucks.
Not really. Whatever's gonna get the job done most efficiently, I
Hey,
guess.
look, you got a mangrove.
I got 150 bucks for you. If that's what they're trying to suggest.
How big is it?
Tiny.
Yeah.
Hey, the important thing is it's in the boat.
It is, but it's true.
I tried to let Boo Boo do it. Just didn't have one, but
Hole on the dock.
There's a bobber in your way.
Ain't seen me.
You crossed me. I got it out. Whoa! Don't get crossed again.
Get you right up in here. Showing that it would work better if it was on.
get some.
That's a good size fish too. Yep, we're on. Good fish, good fish.
Good.
What you got?
I don't know.
Shaky head trout.
It's a good size though. Oh, it's a big freaking puffer I snagged. No!
I wonder if it
I don't even want this thing out of the water. No way.
Hey, that's how Dad felt when he caught.
Oh, what the crap? That's a monster.
At least yours puffed up.
Yeah, this is a big one too. Good grief, that's the biggest puffer I've ever caught. Look at the size of this thing.
Hook him in the hand and shoot it off.
Yeah. Right in his eyeball.
No wonder he's mad.
Good. Come on.
Hey, what about you smacking in the water with that at it?
It's like they're almost the size of a basketball. Good grief. You're kidding. How did I pop that out again?
Oh, he's at 12.
I don't even want to count that fish.
Nice trout. Oh, a little snook.
Oh, it's a snook.
Come up here.
Yay! Henry, you got your first snook. Come on.
It's a.
I got it.
So
I got it.
I'm at 10 now.
Easy.
Let's see how big that. Let's see on the measure and see how big it is.
Okay, we'll measure it. But
That looks like a foot.
come here. You want to hold him?
I'll hand the rod.
All right. So put your hand in here, like a bass, like a bass. Oh, put your thumb on. There you go. Now hold on tight. Now put your other hand down here.
Real tight or it's going to run off.
All right. Now hold him up. Let me see you.
Yeah, let's do it.
There you go. Good job. First snook. Good job. You want to measure him? Yeah, we'll measure him. He's definitely not going to be legal.
It's a foot.
Yeah, he's a little over a foot. So he's probably about 15 inches. Yeah, not big enough. Yeah, he's over 12.
Hang on, let's.
12, 13, 14, yes, 15. All right, you ready to let him go?
Long-handed person here.
Hang on. Be careful, he's got some spines on his back. Go ahead and drop him in. Good job.
Nice snook.
Good catch.
The first snook of the
This is yours.
Oh,
It was moving, so I was making sure it wasn't going to make it in the water.
They're shallow.
yeah. I'm gonna come over here.
A little bit in the middle.
Yeah, show me where'd you catch that at? Here, get out of the way.
No,
Move.
no,
Where'd you catch it at? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna take this spot. Hey, snook got caught today. Yay.
Okay guys, we're back from the fishing. You can see the water's still a little rough.
got windy. We just had a great lunch at Mulligan's here at Sebastian, Florida. We're all full, a little bit wet. We got damp on the way in. I'm sure you've seen that in the video, but that's all part of it. It's called fishing, not catching. Still had a wonderful time with Henry and Michael, Solomon, Matthew. And clean the lens off. So it's still worth doing. I know there's not a lot here, but we had a wonderful time doing it. Good spending time with family. Now we're going to try to pull Solomon's ears while we're driving an hour back up the road. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back at the mill.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.